Let me know when you're ready.
Go ahead.
Okay, the first word is Kairos, and it's spelled K as in kilo, Y as in Yankee, R as in Romy.
Now, this is a real important point right here. You're very clear, very concise about where to go on the website. So there's no question about it. In other words, and I think it speaks to two things. One is obviously being articulate is very important. But more important than that, I think, is the level of control that you have.
Absolutely, and that's exactly what it is. If you'll notice at this point, there's a very, very high level of control that I'm using.
Right.
And I understand as I'm doing this and as I'm saying this, I literally have the prospect punching in one letter at a time, listening to every word I say.
Right, so there's an ultimate connection there.
Yes, very strong level.
And it's clear that you're in control and he's following, right? So every button and this is really an important thing that I never even thought about, but every keystroke he makes that you're telling him, B, A, C, so on, that is controlling him, right? And those are little trial closes, aren't they? No,
yes.
So if he can do, a string of 20 different letters there, that shows that you have a high level of control and rapport.
That's it.
Right? And those two things, having control, are critical in making the close, aren't they?
Right. It's a strong level of control, and as you can see, it's very comfortable.
Yeah, so, and here you're cleverly using a tool, meaning the computer, as a way to control them. And that's why this is so important in the close. Not having this and just saying, well, let me explain it to you anyway, is just going to confuse the customer more or your prospect more, and the probability of closing goes away very quickly, and the chance of calling them back and doing it is even worse.
Yes. And keep in mind, getting them on the site, remember, that is where we actually consummate the transaction.
Right. So you're actually moving them closer and closer to the sale, aren't you?
He's being literally positioned to the spot that I'm going to use to close him.
Right. And he may not even realize that at the time.
Has no idea.
Right. Beautiful. Okay, let's move forward.